After the introduction of the Galaxy S21 series in mid-January this year, we now have to wait for the successor to the Galaxy Z Flip. This clamshell smartphone was announced simultaneously with the S20 series. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is expected to be released in the summer of 2021. As time passes, more and more details are known about the new folding phone from Samsung. In this video we take a closer look at the expected specifications and improvements over its predecessor. Price and availability. Samsung will most likely host a Galaxy Unpacked event in July. During that event, the Z Flip 3 5G will be introduced, 1 year after the introduction of the Z Flip 5G. Pre-order will likely start directly after the event. There are increasing signs that the Z Fold 3 will be announced simultaneously with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Around the same period, the Galaxy S21 FE is also expected, as the cheapest member of the S21 lineup. Unfortunately, a Galaxy Note 21 is no longer expected this year. Last year, the Galaxy Z Flip got a suggested retail price of €1,500. The Z Flip 5G, introduced a few months later, went on sale for the same price. Although it is still unclear what the Z Flip 3 will cost exactly, several sources have indicated that the new model will be marketed more cheaply than its predecessor. This may result in a starting price of approx €1,350. This would close the gap between regular and foldable smartphones. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 could have a triple rear camera setup, with possibly the same sensors as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 3 12-megapixel cameras, claimed the tipster. It may come with a glass display and the front display is likely to be very small. As mentioned above, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip May 3 feature a 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display that could be up to 6.9 inches long, something that an earlier leak had also predicted. The Galaxy Z Flip 5G has a 60Hz display, so this will be a big leap. The tipster noted that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 could have better resistance to water and dust as compared to its predecessors. Further, the foldable phone may feature thinner bezels, have a smaller hole punch cutout, and a new hinge. Recently, a report had indicated that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip May 3 come with a camera design similar to that of Samsung Galaxy S21. A concept photo was also shared, where the phone looked like a mix of the original Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and the Samsung Galaxy S21. Samsung will reportedly not call this model Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 as predicted earlier, and instead call it Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 in order to align the name with Z Fold series.